Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs properly easy guide. Start by choosing fresh eggs and a non-stick pan over medium heat. Warm the pan first, then add a small pat of butter or a light spray of oil to coat the surface. Crack eggs into a bowl to check freshness and discard shells easily. Keep heat moderate to avoid rubbery whites and undercooked yolks, and taste as you go. Whisk eggs and a small splash of milk, cream, or water until smooth and slightly frothy for fluffier scrambled eggs. Heat butter in a non-stick pan on medium-low and pour eggs in, then wait a few seconds before stirring gently with a silicone spatula. Move eggs from the edges to the center, keeping curds soft and slightly runny if you like creamier texture. Remove from heat just before done and let carryover heat finish cooking. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making tasty, practical guides. Quick recommendation. A book I love, The Simple Path to Wealth, can change how you think about money and habits, and it pairs oddly well with the confidence cooking brings. Check the description for the link and other deals. Pick up a copy if you want a small life upgrade. Now let's get back to the video. To fry eggs, keep heat moderate and use butter or oil to create a gentle sizzle that cooks whites through without hardening yolks. For sunny side up, cover the pan briefly to finish whites, or flip carefully for over easy or over medium styles. For poaching, simmer water with a tablespoon of vinegar, swirl gently, and slide cracked eggs into the vortex to keep whites compact. Time poaches for desired yolk firmness and lift with a slotted spoon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.